We've got some 10-inch pops up here. 10-inch Thanos. We've got some Star Wars, Baby Jack, Pokemon. That's my favorite. Don't you sit on the end of that basket like that.
I know what's your favorite color.
What's my favorite color?
What colors of the rainbow?
All of the colors of the rainbow?
Yes.
Well, I mean, I think that's kind of cheating.
No, it's not.
It's not. Sit down, son, please.
No.
I'm trying to figure out who you're talking to.
I'm gonna go pee.
Goodness gracious. Oh, why, dude? Somebody help me. Are they all Jon Snow? Oh, God, I'm never going to find Arya. I'm never going to find her. Okay. Aside from that, nothing really new over here yonder. We got a couple of the people on thrones up in here. Okay, baby. We legit just went to the bathroom. You legit just went to the bathroom. But we'll go again. Okay. Well, I guess that's it for this for now. Okay. Starting back up with the hunt. There are some more of those. There are some 10-inch, some more of these Pokemon. Let's take a look down aisles and see what we can find. It does not look like
Mom.
a whole lot has changed. Yes, son.
Mommy.
Yes. All right, son. Let me see. Let's see. Don't ask me why someone's child is screaming and howling around here. I guess it's the day for the kids to be doing that because I definitely wasn't talking to you. Yeah, not a whole lot going on over here. Let's see. Beatrix. So cool. Some clearance. Yes.
Mommy, I love you so much.
You love me so much. And I love you so much.
Mommy, what is that SpongeBob for?
I don't know. You guys.
Mom.
Pikachu. And there's a couple of them.
Mom.
Gotta get Pikachu.
Mommy.
Yes, baby.
I want something for me.
Of course. Mommy always gets for you. Right? What we getting? What you want? Well, look, because you are indecisive and he has to just... Yeah.
Mommy.
Yes.
I don't have this.
You don't have that?
No.
Oh, okay. Give me a second. I'm gonna get it. Can you not reach for it? I'm gonna get it, son.
You're gonna get it by yourself.
This is definitely Star Wars. Why is this here? Why is this here? Okay. I'm just curious. But okay. But I'm so excited I found Pikachu. Alright. Let's see what else they have. We are in Walmart. Checking to see what's going on up in here. Of course, toys, and more toys. Get out of my way, woman. Get out of my way. That's not what I got you. Most recent was the go-kart Mario, but I did get the week before that. Yes. It doesn't seem like a whole lot.
Brittany, cashier, you need the customer service.
Just destroying stuff. That cap. Oh, the movie. You guys, the movie. Not gonna spoil it. I'm just gonna say the movie. This is cool. I don't know who this is. Who is this? Y'all, let me know in the comments below. What's his backstory? I'm gonna Google it. But yeah, let me know. I'd love to hear it. Story time. Let's see what else we got. What y'all think about that likeness? I wonder if any of this stuff is on sale. Yeah. Okay. Let's go check out the Pops section and see what they have. Let's go. Okay. Here. Yes, yes, son. I love you too, son. I think I might pick up some minis. I think I want to pick up some minis. What did you do? We are gonna have hot dogs tonight, little one. I think there's another section over there too. Okay. In the second part, yes, son. Okay, sweetie. Okay. I can't seem to come across freaking Captain Marvel, the Walmart exclusive. I just am totally bummed the fact that I can't seem to come across her to save my life. It's whatever. Okay. I think I'm gonna go ahead and pick up some mystery minis and then get on out of here. Yeah. Yo, what's up, you guys? Korean Mom Lucy. So, I went and did a quick little hunt at Walmart and a hunt at Target. So I'm going to show you guys what I picked up. It really wasn't a whole lot. Most of what I'm about to show you actually is a mail call that I got just in time for Mother's Day. So I'm super excited to show you guys what they are. So first, what I got from Target, I picked up Pikachu. Super adorable. I was not expecting to see him, and I did. Now, I actually do not watch the cartoon Pikachu in my adult life. I watched it way back when I was a kid, so this is more so, you know, childhood memories for me. I plan on taking my son to see the new Pikachu movie, so that's gonna be exciting. Maybe it'll reawaken, you know, the old stuff that I used to feel for the show, for the cartoon. So yeah, picked up Pikachu. super adorable. From Walmart, I picked up 2 blind bags. I have blind boxes, Game of Thrones blind boxes. I have most of them on my desk right now, and I think it's pretty awesome because when people come to my desk, they see them, they're like, oh, you're into Game of Thrones? And I'm like, yeah, that's my stuff. So let's see what we got. I have one I do not have. I feel it, and I'm excited. Friggin' A. Oh, he is a 1 in 36. Super awesome. He's going right on the desk. But the second one, anyone get a chance to watch the last episode? Really crazy. I honestly don't know how I feel about it. I don't know. I'm curious to see how they end the show next week. I'm not ready. I think I have another one I don't have. Yes. Yes. I'll take it. Both of these are going on my desk. Okay. So, something I did not show you guys. So I've been bit by the bug of freaking collecting McDonald's toys. I went into McDonald's and grabbed a bunch of these. One of each one they had. I, weirdly enough, would like to collect all of them. Don't judge me. These things cost $1.50, and I found myself going on eBay to see if I can maybe get the rest of them instead of traveling around the city. And people are wanting quadruple the price of those, so I'll drive my behind around the city to look for it. It ain't no thing. Alright, so that's it for what I picked up. Now for my mail haul. These came just in time for Mother's Day, and I was super excited. The first I got from a pretty awesome person, Mr. Rob. He is the same person that sent me the Eve that's up here. So I'm super excited. Thank you so very much. I have not opened it yet. Honestly, I'm hesitant to open it. Don't judge me. I still haven't opened up my Lion King one. And then some heavy hitters. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Your girl got Children of the Forest. The metallic Children of the Forest. This was a gift from a friend of mine, childhood friend of mine. This was a gift and that was a gift, and I'm elated. Like, you guys have no idea how excited I am. She is clearly in a heart stack, for sure. They actually came in the heart stack, so yes. And then for an oldie but extreme goodie, the 3 dragons, again metallic. This is a GameStop exclusive way back in the day. You guys have no idea how excited I am to have this. No clue. This is my baby. I thought I had a pop protector that'll fit this, but I don't. The only size I have You can't see it because it's behind me. Of the pop protectors for like the 2-packs, but this one's bigger than the 2-pack. You guys, y'all just don't know. Y'all just don't know. So, never been opened. Tape still on there. It's awesome. Alright, you guys. So that's it for my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave me a thumbs up. If you guys like what you see, please subscribe so that way you guys can see more. And as always, thanks for watching.